We have the feminist lens principles because we believe that institutionalized patriarchy is one of the biggest factors in sustaining the unequal power structures in the world, and we want to change that. We define institutionalized patriarchy as any culture, tradition, laws, rules that privileges men by promoting traditional gender roles. Feminism for us is to challenge and change these structures. We are aware that not all men are sexist and all women are feminist, and also not all men are privileged and all women are oppressed. Power dynamics are complex, but our first step is to try to become aware of what the power dynamics are. When it comes to our trainings, we acknowledge that privilege and oppression also occurs within our groups of participants, and that we as trainers are part of the power dynamic. What privilege and power do we as trainers have, and how do we share that power? Who is speaking out more of participants? Who has more privilege? And who seems to be more marginalized and why? Reasons can be many. We don't just look at gender roles as men and women, but also are aware of race, sexuality, and other structural markers of identity. We also have a feminist lens by looking at what narratives we are promoting in our learning materials. Who are the authors? Who do we show as inspiring examples? Is the inspiring video we share by an American man or rather a Kenyan woman? We want to recommend and use materials that represent diversity and which break stereotypes. So to sum up, we try to be aware of all the structural power dynamics that occur both in our trainings, the issues we choose to fight for, as well as our learning material.